Let me tell you a true Arizona story. Last summer, a brutal monsoon swept through my neighborhood. The winds were insane, hail pelted everything, and in the aftermath, my neighbor's house absolutely wrecked. The worst part? Their insurance didn't pay a dime. But mine, I was covered. Everything. Wind, hail, even hurricane-level damage. So what made the difference? 2 words: Liberty Mutual and a little help from RightSure. Living in Arizona, I know weather is pure chaos, monsoons, wildfires, you name it. But Liberty Mutual automatically includes coverage for wind, hail, and hurricanes in every policy. That's rare. And their claims process? Top-rated. Here's the kicker. I'm saving 22% just by bundling my home and auto. RightSure's local team knew exactly what my place needed for flood and wildfire zones. They weren't just selling policies, they actually understood Arizona homes. Now, if your rates suddenly spiked or worse, your coverage got dropped, RightSure can find new Liberty Mutual coverage lightning fast. You can get a quote online or call a famously friendly human at RightSure who'll handle those Arizona-specific coverages that could literally save your house. And Liberty Mutual lets you customize your protection, covering your dwelling, personal property, liability, and extra living expenses. You can even add flexible extras like blanket jewelry, water backup, inflation guard, or personal property replacement cost, all for a little extra peace of mind. Liberty Mutual's digital experience is honestly top-notch. Instant quotes online, file claims in the app, and use the Liberty portal for guidance anytime you need it. Plus, Arizona homeowners get rewarded with discounts, bundle home and auto. Go paperless, install protective devices, keep a safe home, and more. Liberty Mutual ranks top for discounts, so you get more value for your money. RightSure is Arizona's Liberty Mutual Home Insurance Authority. Their experts know Phoenix, Tucson, all of Arizona flood zones, wildfire risks, and monsoon impacts inside out. If your old policy was dropped or your rates shot up, RightSure's got your back. Their policy wizard and digital diary streamline quotes, track changes, and find the biggest discounts, crucial for Arizona's high-risk climate zones. With RightSure, you get personal service tailored for Arizona's unique risks. Bundle home, auto, bike, RV, maximize your savings, all with Liberty Mutual. Ready to protect your Arizona home? Get a Liberty Mutual quote online for full discounts or call RightSure for local help. Ask about flood, monsoon, and wildfire coverage, compare your options, and let RightSure's local expertise guide you, even if your insurer drops you or hikes your rates. Don't leave your home's future to chance. Get the right coverage right here in Arizona.